Alright everybody, so it's Liam from the Young Wildlife Photographers of South Africa group, and as you can see I am out here in the field with my camera, and we are currently in the Magaliesberg valley sort of thing. There's loads of swallows flying around. I'll see if I can photograph one of those. But today I have the Canon R10 combined with the Canon RF 100 to 400 millimeter lens. I think this is a great combo for beginner wildlife photographers, and yeah, without any further ado, let's jump straight into the photography. Okay, so at this moment, I'm just taking you guys along my photography session out here in the field. So there's the bird that I just photographed. Let's just see. All the way over there. Don't know if you can see him perched up top on that tree. But I just finished photographing it. I could take some more shots. Maybe, yeah, I'm gonna try to get a bit closer. But I'm just scouting for birds at this moment. I will try to photograph the swallows in a minute, but I'm just gonna see if I can actually figure out what bird that is. And maybe I can get some tighter shots. I don't always like tight shots that much, but in this case I'm gonna see. Oh, there goes a lark or longclaw or something. Yeah, that was a longclaw. Just want to see if I can get more. Let's go from this angle, because there is some. There we go. Now we've got no sticks in front, and the bird is perfectly in frame. Okay. Okay, so I just got some really cool pictures. It was from that familiar chat, and I managed to get some pretty cool pictures of it sitting on that branch, and I'm super happy. It wasn't quite portrait shots, but as you know, I don't always like portrait shots that much, and yeah, I'm just gonna see what else I can find. There's a lot of monarch butterflies, so we might see a bird or something trying to snatch one of those, so that would be super cool, but we're gonna see what we can find. There is a bit of thunderclouds around at the moment, so I am keeping my jacket with me, and I always keep my jacket with me so I can put that over the camera whenever I need to. But yeah, it's just absolutely beautiful out here with some of the flowers in flower at the moment. Not that much. You can see these flowers, call them the traveler's joy. Really cool plant. But anyway, we're gonna have a look for what else we can find. I just want to show you, but I just photographed that little chat sitting at the back there, and I photographed it on that little pole there in this trash dumping site. And I got some really cool pictures because I could have I could have just not taken pictures, but I embraced this human pole and used it as quite a cool picture. Obviously it would have been really cool if it was sitting on those bricks there, because it has a lot of cool texture. But that's what I got and I went with it. Okay, I think I'm gonna head back now because I'm just finding no birds at the moment. Maybe I can find some mocking cliff chats over there, but we'll have a look and see what we can find. That was incredible. I can't believe it. I hope you guys enjoy this video, because I certainly enjoyed making it and spending time out here and seeing what birds I can find. So yeah, I'm going to be posting more on this YouTube channel. I'm going to be posting a video every month. So if you look forward to do that, I'm going to encourage you to subscribe, and please give this video a like and give it a comment down below, and yeah, really get out there and try to improve your photography.